Kamuliza, I thought we spoke to Baba and he was feeling okay. Imetokea nini? Akaniambia amepata information. So nikachukua simu yangu, nikapigia yule ambaye alikuwa ameenda na yeye. Akaniambia Baba it's okay. Yeye pia hakuwa anajua. Nikamwambia ebu check. Nikachukua simu yangu nikapigia mwingine, akaniambia pia hajasikia. In a few minutes, like 10 minutes, Oburu akanipigia tena. Akaniambia inaonekana Baba ametuacha. He was not conclusive. So that's a few minutes after 7. After 2 minutes, Winnie akanipigia. Akaniambia, first I told her, please Winnie, don't tell me any bad news. But of course she said, the bad news have happened. My father is no more. And those were very, very difficult moments. Many commentators in the newspapers and in the media say this is a very big blow for William Ruto. Yes, it is. It is a very big blow. A few minutes later, we consulted with the family. I remember calling Ida. She could not talk on the other side. And then we managed to do the processes that were necessary. I got in touch with the government of India, and I requested them to accord our brother the highest support that they could. I must thank the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who is a friend of Raila Odinga, for putting at our disposal, all the support, including military honors, for our brother Raila Amolo Odinga. Lakini haikuwa rahisi hivyo. Baadaye jioni tukisha panga vile watu wataenda kumchukua mwili wake, usiku Winnie akanipigia. Winnie akaniambia, Mr. President, hiyo ndege ambayo inakuja kubeba mwili ya baba, mbona inaenda Mumbai? Mbona isikuje hapa mahali baba yuko? Sasa wewe unanifanya nisumbuke.